5 signs you're drinking too much coffee. For many people, their morning cup, or 3, of coffee is prime motivation to get out of bed. It gives you an energy boost, it tastes good, and the ritual of sipping from your favorite mug sets the tone for the day. Even though drinking coffee isn't necessarily bad for you, in fact, it has some health benefits. There is such a thing as sipping too much java. Caffeine is still a drug, and overconsuming can trigger adverse reactions in your body. You're not sleeping well. While coffee can help you wake up in the morning and fight fatigue throughout the afternoon, the timing and amount of caffeine consumed during the day can make it harder to fall asleep, plus reduce the total amount of shut-eye you get at night. You're feeling anxious. Coffee is a stimulant, which triggers your body to go into fight or flight mode. Thus, drinking even moderate amounts of caffeine can lead to feelings of anxiety and stress, especially if you already struggle with a general anxiety disorder. You're experiencing the laxative effect. Maybe you've already noticed this, but coffee makes you poop. The caffeine in your java activates your colon and results in an increased need to, well, go. You have the jitters. The coffee jitters, aka a rush of energy, followed by a crash, are the real deal and may be a sign it's time to rein in your caffeine intake. Caffeine speeds up your central nervous system. You've gained weight. Unless you drink it black, consuming several cups of coffee with milk, cream, or sugar per day can add up calorie-wise. Over time, those extra calories can lead to increases on the scale. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more of our videos.